We are about to start cutting. We have finished cutting. We have finished peeling. Now is the cutting. You can see the way I'm cutting it. We have finished cutting. My carrot, the way I'm cutting it, you have to cut it small. The cut is very small. Very small. We chop. I finished chopping it. This is my onion sleeve. See the way I'm cutting it. They call it spring onion. Very small. I finished cutting it. I finished chopping my onion. Now we want to chop it. You can see the way I'm chopping it. I have finished it. See, have you seen it? Now I begin to remove it. See the way it blended is very smooth. You mix the sauce very well. Black pepper. You mix the black pepper very well. Corn flour. Corn flour. 1, 2, 3. 3 spoons. You can see the way I'm mixing it so that everything will be very smooth. You make sure you mix it very well with the sauce, the pepper, the corn flour, and the Irish potato. Before you put any other thing, make sure you mix it very well. You can see the way I'm mixing it, okay? It's your carrot. This is your spring onion.